Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Server course. In this video I'm going to show you with a simple example what is the difference between data type and DateTime data type in SQL Server.
First, I create database with SQL commands. Okay, database created, and then I should choose the database. After that, I should create table with 3 columns. Then I add some data to my database table. Okay, now I want to select data from my database. Okay, as you can see, there are 4 records in my table. As you can see, the dates of all the records are related to one day. Now I want to add 2 other records with other dates. Okay, now select. Okay, we have 6 records in this table with 2 different dates, and I want to select just records in this date. Now I want to run this SQL Server command, select command actually, but we cannot see any record in result. What happened? Okay, at first I select again. As you can see, we have 2 parts in DateTime part, date and time. Because when we use just date, it considers the time and actually hour, minute and second and millisecond to 0. For example, the results of these 2 queries are the same, and you can see the result of these 2 queries. Okay, now what should we do? To solve this problem, we must add the time to the end of the second date. Okay, now you can see the result of our select query. There is another way called logical search, but it's not recommended, and the results of these 2 queries, as you can see, are the same. There is another way to show records during a date. We can use cast to convert DateTime to data type. Now you can see the result of select, and now I want to run these 2 query, and you can see the results are the same. In SQL Server, we can check the performance of these 2 queries. The costs of these 2 queries are the same, but there are some differences between these 2 query results. In estimated number of rows for all execution and estimated number of rows per execution. You can see the differences between these two queries. At the first query, estimated number of rows for all execution and per execution are 5 and 5, but in second query you can see number 4 and number 4, but SQL Server said the costs of these two queries are the same, 15%. Then we can use cast to show the result of records. But if you want to show the result during a time, date and time, and if a time is necessary or important for you, you should use this query, the first query. Thanks for watching this video.